Hello. I'm about to do something to benefit my dry and frizzed hair. I'm going to condition it with a special conditioner that I sent for in the mail and got today. It came today, so I'm going to do this today. First, what you need to do is you need to spray the conditioner on, like so. Spray it on real good. Spray it on just real good. Then, turn on the magic heat lamp that came with the conditioner in the mail. Bear with me while I do this, please. I have to plug in the heat lamp to turn it on. Bear with me. The heat lamp is on now. Now what you need to do is cover your head for a timed period with the magic cloth that came with the conditioner and the heat lamp in the mail. I will do so now. I hear that the heat lamp went off, so it is now time to uncover my head. And I will have a look to see what it looks like. Oh my Lord! What have I done? Oh,